So there's a specific brush you need to use to just clean all these pimples, and I'm going to show you an easy way and how to use it from scratch. So this is how you're going to do it. Okay, make sure you duplicate this image, hold control plus J. So when you hold control plus J, you're going to duplicate it. Okay, so when you get it, use the eyedropper. Okay, choose the face color where it's good. Okay, so let's choose the side, and then you move to this brush, not this one. You move to the mixer brush. So when you move to the mixer brush, make sure you change the width to 48. So the 48, that's it. So see the magic. So don't make it too much. You have to take your time. You can see before and after. Okay, just very simple. So we're going to take all those things out, but you have to take your time. So let's just work this side. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it. Okay, so make sure you hold your, I don't know, your touchpad or your mouse well. Okay, I'm using mouse, and I don't know what you're just using, but you can also use the same thing to just work on this. So this one, make sure you're not gonna, can you just make it like this? Okay, so let's check the before and after and see how it is. Before and after, before and after. So left with this side and this side. Okay, so let's just complete it all. This is the easy way to just clean all those things. You don't have to stress too much to go for different method. This one is very easy to use. Okay, so let's check before and after. You can see the difference, and here too. So this is the brush I used to just work on my retouch, the skins and everything. I just need, so this note, you need to hold it here and straight here, and hold it here and here too. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, know how to use this brush. If not, you're gonna make a lot of mistakes. So this is how you're going to take all this out. So I think we are done. So let's go back and check before and after, before and after. Okay, so when we are done with this, okay, let's move to the neck and clean one or two things around this side too. So we are done before and after. So when you're done with that, just hold the second background, copy it 3 to here. Okay, you can see. Okay, when you drop it here, move to image, adjustments, black and white. That's it. Click OK. Then you move to filter, other, high pass, and you're gonna reduce this. So let's just reduce it to let's type it 2. So 2, we're going to change it to linear. lights so you can see the difference. Okay, see, and you can see the difference now. Okay, so we're going to remove this. So we're going to move to this brush. Okay, this two spot healing brush. Okay, and then you're going to step on this. Just very simple here. So that's it. So let's just add them together. Control E to add them together. Before and after, before and after. That's it. This is a very simple way to just work on this, and this is not going to stress you too much to just waste your time about cleaning all these pimples and all. So if you need some videos like this, click here. I'm gonna get more to learn. So see you for the next video. Bye.